Hello and welcome to the Head to Toe Music YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like if you haven't already. Today, Tay Keith. Tay Keith is a record producer from Memphis, mostly known for his collaboration with Drake and Blockboy JB. Today we will try to imitate his sound in FL Studio. Let's go. Let's start off with the melody. Tay Keith uses hard-hitting chords, like in the song Look Alive, so make sure you emphasize the root notes of each chord. Next you're gonna want to do the hi-hats and claps. The hi-hats are a really important part of a Tay Keith beat, so make sure your hi-hats are loud and ignorant. Let's go ahead and add some bounce with 808s and kicks. You can add some open hats and snares as well for a bit extra bounce. This is what my drum pattern sounds like. I ended up downloading the Tay Keith effect as well. Here is the final product. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you click that like and subscribe. See you next video.